This is a Pyraminx. There are three types of pieces. The first one is the centerpiece. The center has only one side and one color. The second type of piece is an edge. The edge has two colors. The third type of piece is the corner. The corner has three sides and three colors as well. We will solve the yellow Mitsubishi sign in the first step. Please, find a corner without yellow. The corner is red, blue and green in my case. Now, you should hold the Pyraminx so that the opposite side from this corner should be in front of you. We will solve the yellow sign Mitsubishi is over here. Now, we will solve the right petal. I am rotating the right side and finding a yellow centerpiece. The first yellow centerpiece is ready. Now, I should rotate only the corner to find a yellow corner. The first petal is done. Now, I'm gonna solve a top petal. I'm rotating two top layers together and finding a yellow center. Now, I should rotate only the top corner and find a yellow. One more yellow petal is solved. We should solve the last yellow petal. I'm rotating the left side and finding a yellow centerpiece. I'm rotating the corner only and finding a yellow. The first step is done. Obviously, the yellow side is over here, but what about other sides? Let's take a look at the right side. There are two blue corners, so the blue side we'll be solving is over here. There are two green corners. It means we'll be solving the green side. There are two red corners. The red side will be over here. In this step, we are going to solve the edges of the yellow side. In this step, we should hold the Pyraminx so that the yellow side should be face down. The yellow edges we will get on the middle layer. For example, I'm gonna solve this green-yellow edge. First of all, I will place the green-yellow edge on the green side, over here. How do I know that this side is green? This side is green because the two bottom corners are green. Hold the cube that the green side and yellow piece of the edge should be in front of you. In this case, we have a yellow edge on the left. We should apply the left-hand algorithm in this case. Do the left-hand algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look at what we did. We have solved the yellow-green edge. Let's find on the middle layer one more yellow edge. I have found a yellow-red edge. First of all, I will place the yellow-red edge on the red side. This side is red because it has two red bottom corners. Hold the cube that the red side and yellow piece of the edge should be in front of you. In this case, we have a yellow edge on the right. We should apply the right-hand algorithm in this case. Do the right-hand algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look at what happened. we have solved the yellow-red edge. There are no more yellow edges in the middle layer. It's happening very often. In this case, you should check the bottom layer. For example, this yellow-blue edge, in this case, we should take it from the bottom layer and place it on the middle layer. The right-hand algorithm helps me to place this yellow-blue edge on the middle layer. Do the right-hand algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the yellow-blue edge is on the middle layer. Now I am gonna place it on the blue side. The blue side is over here. This is our yellow-blue edge that we should solve. As you can see, the yellow edge on the right. We should apply the right-hand algorithm. Do the right-hand algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have solved the last yellow edge. And also you can see that the first layer is solved as well. Now we have to fix all our centerpieces and corners on the middle and top layers. Okay, this is a green side. I should find the green center and a green corner on the top. In this last stage, we solve the edges of the middle layer. You can be faced with a situation when you have 3 edges left. We will apply the algorithm and get 2 edges left. Apply one more algorithm and our Pyraminx will be solved. In my case, I have 3 edges left. Hold the Pyraminx so that the yellow side should be face down. It doesn't matter what kind of side is in front of you. Only the yellow side on the bottom does matter. Now we should apply the algorithm that includes 7 actions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, I have solved the blue-red edge and now we have 2 edges left. But if you still have 3 edges left, don't worry, apply the same algorithm one more time. In my case, I have got 2 edges left that we should solve. Then I will be applying the next algorithm. Hold the Pyraminx, the yellow side should be face down. Our 2 edges should be in front of you. Let's do the algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome! Our Pyraminx was solved! Yoo-hoo! As always, you can find this lesson and the necessary schemes for it on our website rubikscubekids.com. Do not forget to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye!